Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the full 2025 guide on how to navigate Trello's recent cards view. First off, log into your Trello account. Now let's get to the good stuff. On the top right corner of your Trello dashboard, you'll notice a small clock icon. That's your gateway to the recent cards view. The reason we go here is because it allows us to view and access our most recently viewed cards, no matter what board they're on. Click on the clock icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu. This drop-down displays your most recently viewed cards, with the latest one at the top. This helps us because it saves you time from having to navigate through different boards to locate these cards. Now that we've done that, you'll notice that each card in the drop-down has a small preview of its content. If you hover over a card, a larger preview pops up, showing you more details about the card. This feature is crucial as it allows us to quickly scan the card's content without having to open it fully. Next up, to the right of each card, there are 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these dots brings up additional options such as Go to Card and Remove from List. The reason we do this is to either directly navigate to the card's board or remove it from the recent cards list. Let me explain why this matters. By utilizing these options, you can efficiently manage your recent cards view, keeping it clean and clutter-free. One last note, if you want to view more than just the most recent cards, at the bottom of the dropdown, click on See All Activity. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This will take you to a page that includes all of your Trello activity, not just your recent cards. And that's it. You've just learned how to navigate Trello's recent cards view. It's a nifty feature that can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.